Hey, respiratory therapy students. Okay, today's HQ challenge, we are going to deal with dreaded pharmacology, right? Nobody really likes pharmacology. So if you need help with pharmacology, I have two options for you. Number one, go to my website, respiratoryhq.com, go to the store tab, and I have a very inexpensive pharmacology mini course. So if you need help separating things out, I think that pharmacology course is going to help you. Or you can stay tuned. I'm going to be posting some tutoring times that I have in April, and one of those tutoring sessions will be pharmacology. But let's talk about today's HQ challenge. Which of the following is not a muscarinic antagonist? All right, so muscarinic antagonist, that's the newest term. These used to be called parasympatholytics or anticholinergics. They block the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the nervous system that causes bronchospasm. So if we can block that, we have fewer bronchospasms. All right, so tiotropium is a muscarinic antagonist, as is ipratropium, as is umeclidinium. Now, here's how I know, just real quickly, that they are. See these endings? IUM, IUM, IUM. Most pharmacology, when you look at the generic names, most pharmacological drugs have the same endings per classification, okay? So the one that doesn't is mometasone, okay? That is an inhaled corticosteroid, so that is not the option. Hope this helps. See you soon.